Electric tankless water heaters are designed to instantly heat your home's water supply without the need for a storage tank. We researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated electric tankless water heaters on the market, as well as one to avoid. What are the best electric tankless water heaters on the market? Number 1. EcoSmart ECO 36, the best electric tankless water heater for cold climates. Number 2. Rheem RTEC 18, the best electric tankless water heater under $500. Number 3. EcoSmart ECO 11, the best electric tankless water heater for RV. Number 4. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus, the best electric tankless water heater for large families. Number 5. Marey Eco 110, the best small electric tankless water heater. Looking to learn more about the top-rated electric tankless water heaters, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 1, we have the EcoSmart ECO 36. With the purchase of the EcoSmart ECO 36, you get a lot of amazing performance features. First, the EcoSmart ECO 36 is the largest tankless water heater in the EcoSmart lineup. If you require a high demand of hot water to the home, up to 6 gallons per minute, the ECO 36 can do the job with ease. That equates to 4 showers and a sink receiving hot water simultaneously. ECO 36 is great for large jacuzzis and hot tubs too. Second, EcoSmart ECO 36 heats the water your home needs on demand. That means no wait time. And finally, the ECO 36 uses patented auto-controlled energy consumption technology to meet the home's demands for hot water while providing 99.8% thermal energy efficiency. ECO 36 measures 3.6D by 21H by 17W inches and weighs 18 pounds. You'll save up to 16 cubic feet of space with the wall-mountable design. The all-weather ECO 36 tankless water heater is built using copper and stainless steel components, providing between 2.7 and 6.5 gallons per minute per the home's inlet water flow, and can heat water at 3.5 gallons per minute, even when the external temperatures reach 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Get the quantity of hot water you need, when you need it, at the exact temperature you need it using the ECO 36 digital temperature control system. ECO 36 is so intuitive, it can get the water temperature within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. EcoSmart uses field replaceable unit printed circuit board technology for quick removal and replacement without having to send the unit or parts to the manufacturer for repair. Warranty. EcoSmart offers customers a limited lifetime warranty after the ECO 36 is installed by a technician or plumber and registration of the product within 30 days of purchase. Pros. Robust and comprehensive online resources provided by the manufacturer. ECO 36 multi-user high-efficiency compatibility provides a continuous flow of hot water throughout the home. Continual hot water flow reaches tap within 15 seconds. Cons. Copper tubing overheated and scorched part of the unit. Digital fuse is essential to avoid continually blowing fuse box. More than 2 hot water destinations running simultaneously doesn't provide enough hot water. Coming in at number 2, we have the Rheem RTEC 18. Rheem RTEC 18 meets and excels all expectations, and the price tag under $500 doesn't skimp on the value or quality. RTEC 18 offers a 4.4 gallon per minute flow rate, whether you're using this tankless electric water heater as a single point or for whole home use. The Rheem RTEC 18 is a space-saving, hard-working electric tankless water heater and is shown to continually provide hot water in 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms home. Never wait for the tank to heat up. The RTEC 18 wall-mounted unit measures 14.5 W by 3.5 D by 18.25 H, weighs 15 pounds, and a well-crafted FRU circuit board with copper, stainless steel, and coated silicone tube wire coatings. RTEC 18 state-of-the-art digital has a one-touch temperature dial for precise plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit temperature control. Warranty. Rheem offers customers a 6-year limited lifetime warranty, 5-year heating chamber, 1-year parts, after the installation, and the product must be registered within 90 days of purchase. Pros. Easy installation, a well-built, reliable tankless water heater, continual flow of hot water on demand, energy-saving water heater, fires up only fire when hot water is needed. Cons. Not as efficient in extremely cold climates. Extra installation costs by a professional due to the mounting and wall diagrams being printed upside down. Very limited warranty and minimal product information on manufacturer's website. Coming in at number 3, we have the EcoSmart ECO 11. If camping, traveling, or off-the-grid living is your thing, the ECO 11 from EcoSmart is a sure bet. Measuring less than a foot at 11.5 inches high by 8 inches wide and 3 inches deep, weighing 6 pounds, this tiny but mighty tankless electric water heater can save you up to 60% on your current energy usage. Built using the same copper and stainless steel components, ECO 11 uses an 11.8 kilowatt tankless electric water heater that is perfect for heating small single-unit apartments, cabins, boats, and of course, RVs. EcoSmart ECO 11 is on-demand water heating performance provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute per the RV inlet water hookup. EcoSmart's proprietary smart technology is built in to heat the water to continually heat the water when and where you need it. Warranty. EcoSmart offers customers a limited lifetime warranty after the ECO 11 is installed by a technician or plumber, and registration of the product within 30 days of purchase. Pros. Expect all the performance and energy as the larger EcoSmart electric tankless water heater models. Can replace up to a 40-gallon tank water heater and gain more space in the garage or RV. Very impressive energy savings, up to 60%. Cons. Prone to tripping the home circuit breaker. Mineral buildup can cause the heating rods to be cleaned regularly to keep the heater in top performance. Difficulty receiving replacement parts and slow to respond customer service requests. Coming in at number 4, Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus. The Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus uses Stiebel's patented advanced flow control technology, allowing this tankless water heater to deliver slightly less water than competitor brands. It will consistently deliver the desired hot water temperature without a cold water surprise, and it never compromises the water pressure. A built-in microprocessor is so intuitive it can detect flow sensitivity throughout the home. Eltron Tempra 24 Plus will ensure a consistent output temperature, no matter if the water flow rate increases or decreases. The German-made Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 features a solid copper heating chamber and a preset temperature control system, giving you the ability to set precise hot water temperatures between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Warranty. Stiebel offers customers a 7-year leakage and 3-year parts warranty, respectively, with purchase. Registration of the product is recommended. Pros. Very easy, non-cost installation. So whisper quiet. Owners forget they have a water heater. Easy to use interface, and has provided 10+ years of reliable tankless hot water output. Cons. Flow rate is not as robust as the manufacturer promises. Depending on the house square footage, the unit may require extra, costly electrical installation. Unit will not turn on if your home flow-through fixture is a minimum of 0.5 to 0.8 gallons a minute. Coming in at number 5, we have the Marey Eco 110. Marey builds their small electric tankless water heaters with all the impressive capabilities of larger competitive models. Eco 110's design continually heats the water at 3 gallons per minute without interruption or loss of water pressure or unexpected electrical surges. The Marey Eco 110 is tiny but mighty design, measures 3.1 inches deep by 7.5 inches wide by 10.8 inches high, and weighs only 7.5 pounds. Marey uses smart technology for easy management and to make simple adjustments to the built-in LCD panel. Choose exact desired water temperatures and simultaneously optimize your electricity consumption. Very impressive results for a small tankless water heater. Warranty. Marey offers an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Registration of the unit is recommended. Pros. Immediate 2-faucet point of entry, hot water flow. Easy to install to home's current plumbing. Noticeable energy savings when the unit replaced 170 30-gallon tankless-style heaters in an apartment complex. Cons. Water flows noticeably hotter when used with a 2-handle faucet. Difficult to contact customer support for replacement parts and warranty questions. On-demand hot water gets hot, but stays hot only 65% of the time after the unit turns on. And now for the electric tankless water heater to avoid. Bosch Tronic 3000. At first glance, it's easy to confuse the Bosch Tronic 3000 with a large smartphone. It costs about the same too. Can an electric tankless water heater this small and this inexpensive offer the same seamless on-demand hot water performance as the others in this review? On the one hand, this 0.3 gallons per minute electric under-the-sink tankless water heater is designed to be a space saver. It measures a mere 6.6 inches by 12.8 inches by 2.9 inches and weighs under 9 pounds. Even in the tightest of space, Bosch Tronic 3000 can be easily installed using its unique 360-degree angle design. On the other hand, the important power cord isn't included with the purchase. Also, each unit has to be placed as close to the sink or appliance as possible. With the Tronic 3000, you have an individual flow rate and have to understand what they are for each unit you install, versus one electric tankless water heater with a higher flow rate, moving more gallons per minute of hot water towards the destination, where you need hot water on demand. While this tankless electric water heater might be great for individual sinks at shopping malls, airports, stadiums, and offices, the amperage requirement makes each unit have to be hardwired separately. They can account for costly installation. Perhaps further iteration of the Bosch Tronic 3000 will reveal better functionality and longer, more consistent water heating times. Until then, this model is one to avoid. Warranty. Bosch offers a 5-year limited warranty. Pros. Immediate one faucet point of entry with moderately consistent hot water flow. Good for both residential and light commercial low flow faucets. Unique 360-degree installation design lets the unit fit into the tightest spaces. Cons. Require power cord not included with purchase. Can't heat up a standard bathtub full of water. No numerical LED temperature control system. Looking to learn more about the top-rated electric tankless water heaters, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying an electric tankless water heater. Recent trends data shows an interest in owning an electric tankless hot water heater has more than doubled in recent years. That's because electric tankless water heaters offer many benefits over traditional tank heaters, with the primary advantage being the fact that they can save you a significant amount on your monthly utility bills. You can rest easy knowing that an electric tankless water heater works on demand, delivering hot water when and where you need it without the cold water surprise. No matter the size of the home and the demand for hot water, owning an electric tankless water heater is optimal for many reasons. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and be sure to post comments or questions about electric tankless water heaters. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.